it's an amazing opportunity, not only for the students themselves, but also for Italy to start working together with India in this direction. So I am extremely pleased to be here because, again, the place is amazing and it's a beautiful project. 8 months ago was just an idea and a project, and today is a reality. So I'm glad that I was here at the beginning now, and I hope to be here for the diploma at the end of the year. My best wishes and good luck really to all that are involved in this project, and I really hope that they will have a lot of success, because the success of these students, of this initiative, will be also a bit our success. So thank you very much, and touch wood.